First, we have a buy call on Opstar Berhad. So if you look at the chart, the stock has been in a primary downtrend as it has been trading between, no, not between, below all key moving average lines. But currently, it has actually found a strong support from its February 2024 low as the price has rebounded and it has just made like a new lower high structure. Recently, last Friday has actually broke above the 21-day EMA and has just broke above the 50-day EMA as well with a surge in trading volume. So we believe the bullish reversal move could actually continue, and if the price could actually close above 50-day EMA today, we believe that bullish momentum could solidify and could lead to further upside momentum. Next, we have a sell call on Guangchong Berhad. So if you look at the chart, it has just made a bearish reversal move as it just broke below its head and shoulder pattern. And if you look at the decline, it is almost approaching the 200-day EMA. And we anticipate if the price breaks below the 200-day EMA, which is the purple line over here, it could actually lead to a bearish continuation and might actually test our next support at 3.25. Let's go to Indonesia first. We have one buy call for Indofood CBP success. If you look at the chart, the stock has actually made a strong bullish reversal move as it just broke from its cup and handle pattern. We opine as long price maintains above the neckline pattern despite its current decline, the rebound could actually continue. We have one sell call for Dharma Satya Nusantara. If you look at the chart, it has made an inverted cup and handle pattern breakout, and the price failed to actually break above the neckline pattern again as the price keeps declining. If you look at the momentum, the MACD has also reached negative, so we opine the primary downtrend given the lower high structure could actually continue. Let's go to the Philippines. First, we have a buy call on Oceana Gold Philippines. If you look at the chart, the price has actually found strong support at the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level from its previous sharp correction. Price has rebounded, and last Friday, it has actually made a strong gap up as price is back above all key moving average lines. So we opine as the rebound is actually accompanied by increased volume as well. The rebound could actually continue, and if you look at the other side, it has still room before overbought zone, so we could anticipate that the bullish momentum could actually continue and might test our next resistance at 60.60. We have one sell call for Bright kind of resources. If you look at the chart, it has just made a bearish reversal breakout as it just broke below its descending triangle pattern. Price has also broke below the moving average lines and now closed above the 200-day EMA, which actually further solidify bearish momentum. If you look at the other side, it still has rooms before oversold zone, and if you look at the MACD reading, it is now in negative territory, which means that momentum is now on the bearish side. Price needs to be back above at least the 50-day EMA to invalidate this bearish view. Let's go to Singapore first. We have a buy call on CNMC Gold Mine. If you look at the chart, it has been in a primary downtrend before it actually went into a consolidation mode. But then the price found strong support at the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level. Price managed to rebound and it managed to break from its downtrend channel, which means it also just made a bullish pattern, bullish flat pattern breakout. If you look at the breakout last Friday, it is accompanied by a surge in trading volume. So we opine that this rebound could actually continue and might test our next resistance at 0.350. We have one sell call for Oil Tech International Limited. If you look at the chart, it has been a primary downtrend, but then the downtrend has loose steam as it just completed its inverted rounding base pattern. Last Friday, it was testing the rounding base pattern, neckline pattern, but then we opine that a breakout below is likely as if you look at the moving average lines, the 21-day EMA and 50-day EMA are both declining, which means that bearish momentum is getting stronger. And if you look at the MACD reading, if it gets to the negative reading, further downside could actually be anticipated. Let's go to Thailand first. We have one buy call for Better World Green. So if you look at the chart, it has been in a primary downtrend, but then its current base building has bottomed out, which means that its downtrend has slowed. Recently, it has actually rebounded and price has actually just recently closed above the 50-day EMA. If you look at the 21-day EMA and also the MACD reading, both are showing an upward momentum, which means that bulls could actually continue to push the price higher. And if you look at the DMI reading, it just made a bullish crossover, which means that this bullish reversal could actually continue. And if it could take its next immediate resistance at 0.32, it might also test our next technical target price at 0.33. We have one sell call for some telecoms. Actually, it has been in a primary downtrend. It has just created a downtrend channel, and within the downtrend channel, it keeps making lower high structure. And last Friday, it has gap down and pushed the price below all key moving average lines. So we believe that this primary downtrend could actually continue and might test our next support line at 4.72. Lastly, let's go to Vietnam. We have one buy call for mobile world investment. If you look at the chart, it has shown significant technical improvement in the past month. Price action successfully broke out the downtrend channel, establishing a clear high. And we believe as long as price maintains above this previous resistance outturn support line, price could actually continue its uptrend. Lastly, we have one sell call for Petro Vietnam Drilling. If you look at the chart, its previous uptrend has actually lose momentum as price just broke below its previous resistance now turn support line. If you like the MACD reading has also turned negative, which means that the momentum is on the bearish side. If you look at the volume as well, the breakout last Friday has been accompanied by high volume, so which means that the previous uptrend has lose momentum and the bearish reversal move might continue.